Hey everybody, this is Dan, Basic Camping with Dan. I hope you're doing well. And today I have a really cool treat, good campsite treat. Perfect for the whole family or just by yourself. But it's called Campfire Cones. They're super easy to make. And so the recipe is follows. You're going to want to get waffle cones. You can get these pretty much anywhere, just regular waffle cones. And then you're going to want to get the small marshmallows, just like this. And then you want your chocolate of choice. I went for Reese's, but you can use Baker's chocolate. You can use peppermint, just whatever you like. And I like to add a little bit of flavor, so I'm going to add peanut butter. And what else you're going to need is you're going to need one of these long skewer sticks, made for roasting marshmallows. And then also you're going to need some aluminum foil. Today I'm just using just a fire starter stick and some dry tarp covered wood. If you use tarp covered wood, just one of these sticks should light them right up. And so what I do is I just go ahead and break a fire starter, and then we'll get that going first. First and foremost, I got just some leaves. Leaves are a good fire starter, especially when they're dry. So we're going to go ahead and just add some leaves, and then we're going to get that log over there, and then we're going to get this log over here. Alright, so now that the fire is getting ready, we're going to go ahead and assemble. So the first thing we're going to do is get a sheet of aluminum foil. Get a pretty good sized piece. And then we're going to take a waffle cone right over here. Right here. That one's a little broken. So, and then we are going to take some peanut butter. So I got just some regular peanut butter. It doesn't have to be anything fancy. And then we're going to take just about a tablespoon or so, and then we're just going to line the inside of our waffle cone. You don't need to go crazy. Essentially what the peanut butter is going to do is it's kind of become like the glue of this recipe. Alright, now we have that. We are going to take some marshmallows, and then we're going to take a little handful, and then we are going to take some Reese's Pieces, and we're going to open that. We're going to put about another layer in there. And then we're going to do another layer of this, and then one last layer of the, we'll go ahead and top that. Alrighty, so that's all the assembly, and now we are going to take our aluminum foil, and we are going to set it. We're going to set this kind of like on the edge, and then we are going to wrap it just like that, kind of like almost like a carrot. Alright, so we're going to get this onto the fire. I'd say about 5 to 10 minutes. Don't put it on the direct because you don't want to burn it, but you do kind of want to have it hot enough where it's going to melt everything. So just keep a good eye, make sure that you keep it, because you're going to want to make sure that everything's melted first. When everything is ooey gooey, the marshmallows, the Reese's. It's time to enjoy. This is a family-friendly recipe, good for on the fire, or you can even bake them. Episode of Basic Camping with Dan on YouTube. If you like this, thumbs up, subscribe. I appreciate everybody, and I'm going to enjoy this and enjoy the rest of my fire. Have a good one, everybody.